Right, here we go. Okay. Hold on. All right. Okay, let's go. So, right, so what we're gonna get if we run it right now. So if we add apply, it adds the connection. And yeah, what's our to do is to reset, right? So let's go. Sorry about that. When we reset, it's on when we cancel, right? Oh yeah. I've said we need to change this in new connections because why is that? Because if we add a connection with the two, we hit apply here, it really adds it even if we hit cancel, because it needs to be added only if we hit apply, but it gets added even when we hit cancel, you see? So that should be well, it should be save changes, not apply, right? Where's the apply button in here? There is connections, save. Yeah, this is gonna save temporary, right? Okay, save into the parent again, temporary connections list. There we go. Okay, when we hit cancel, we'll get back to it, right? So in here, instead of global connections, we're gonna use this new connections. So when we open, all right, I see what's going on. Okay, here, self dot edit popup dot tmp connections, right, equals self dot new connections. I don't know what is a new connections, right? Let's see when we open this bit. Let's see what new connections has for the moment. So when we open here, it is empty. It shouldn't be empty. It should has one connection at least. So let's see. Wait. All right, I'm back. So fucking family, you know. Okay. So new connections. When do we change or alter? Add new connections, new connections, self-dot new connections that append. Okay, so in it. All right, let's see, where is this? Self-dot new connections is added to. So nowhere. All right. So when we get the node, we need to. Okay, so let's put it here. So yeah, we can assign it here, right? So yeah. Okay, new connections equals node dot. Well, it should be. This should be a copy, right? The new connections should be a copy. So we're gonna call it temporary TMP connections. It's not even used. So there we go. There's gonna be still that node those connections, TMP connections. I don't even have a node. Yeah, we do. All right. So that's what's wrong with here. This now has no connections. What, mate? All right. So for connection in connections, the global connections, what we're gonna do is if self.node in con.nodes, then that append con, right? There we go. So here it initialize the all right, that, but first we're gonna we're gonna clear the thing. All right, so in here dot tmp connections equals self dot tmp connections. So yeah, pop up equals list property, and it's an empty list. So in here we're gonna print self.tmp connections. Let's use, what do we have? Oh my god, I hate this. There we go. So we have only one. All right, that's okay. We don't. Okay, so we might use it later. So let's put it back here. Yeah, okay. All right, hold on a second. There you go. Okay, that's nice. All right, so we get the new connections, right? Let me. I don't know why everything is open. Oop. Node connection. There we go. So we have TMP connections. When we save, what you're gonna alter? We're gonna alter the self.tmp connections, which are not the right connections. So self.connections equal tmp connections, and there we go. So even this, if we do it like this, it's gonna still have no. It doesn't. It didn't. Well, interesting. Okay. That's what we love to see. So self.tmp connections. All right. So when we dismiss here, okay, yeah, exactly. When we save, so there's here, and then when we apply the changes, All right, so these two are innocent. So in here, I'm gonna self dot edit whatever dot TMP connections, right? And I'm gonna say connections equals, and this is gonna be the global connections. There we go. All right. There we go. Okay, cool. All right. So that worked, right? Now, yeah, okay. So let's do this again. It's very messy. Add connection, cancel and apply. Right. Okay, so it works. So now let's test the weight, right? The weight. Edit. Yeah, let's put 50, save and cancel. It did change it to 50, which is not what we want. Okay, so on weight changes. All right, on weight changes. So yeah, this is useless for now. On weight changes, yeah. So okay, this is when we put save, service connections, TMP connections. It's only on apply, right? Dismiss, apply changes. Don't tell me there's an on dismiss here. On dismiss, update canvas. Yeah, it only updates the canvas, so no biggie, right? Yeah. Yeah, I see what's the problem. I see where is the problem. You see, because connections in themselves are objects, right? Are stored objects. And if we change an attribute in that object, it's gonna change the object, right? It's gonna change the object. And that object is referenced in the TMP connections, which is the same object that is in connection in the connections list. So here we have a bit of problem, to be honest. Okay, hold on. We'll click on save. We're gonna save that. Okay, I have an idea, right? It's only storing this, and when we apply the weight, right? We apply the weight in here, right? On this TMP connections, on this connection, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, let's say apply weights and connections and new connections, right? And in here we don't really care about that, so I'm gonna put it here for now. For connection, weight, self dot. What's this? Yeah, we have a lot of. All right, this is the reference to parent connections. Yeah, I'm gonna call it parent connections. No, here, so it's better. Parent connections. There we go. And same as here, though. Right. So there's gonna be a global, not a global, a like packageable. Wait inputs. Let's print these two, right? So it does work like this. Okay. Okay, so I see. Okay, does work. Perfect. Perfect. So when we cancel, we should reset, right? We should reset. So in here, when we, like for the moment, say 20 and then cancel, and then we get back to 20, or when we add a node, it is that, and when we cancel and edit again, it is there. So we gotta delete that, right? So not on cancel, to be honest. It's so we don't change that. So when we open it, when we open this, we have this, that's clear, connect, append. This is gonna be only once, to be honest. Not every single time we'll open it. Well, for the moment, let's leave it here. Yeah, it's gonna be parent. I don't even know how it worked without even. Oh, I see what's happening. Yeah, this is users because we already. Yeah, we are already calculating it here. There we go, self.connections, right? Right. Okay, up, cancel. Right. So let's try to fix that, I guess. Node self.init. So what about we say self.init here? Does that work? Do this, then cancel, edit, cancel. Okay, no. Oh yeah. Hold on. Yeah, it is. When we do init, it adds connections. So here we're gonna simply say this.clear for a moment. For now, we need to reset then. Same as self.node.drop down. Dot clear widgets. There we go. What else? Self.neighbors. Dot clear. What else are we adding? That's all. And then on update grid layout, self input grid layout clear widgets. It is already doing that. So this, and then cancel. This, then cancel. See, it gets back. So add connection, cancel. Perfect. So it does work, right? Okay, good. Init or reset or whatever, right? So that's done. Well, our task for today, for this stream is finished, I guess, right? So we don't need this one. There's a lot of code we don't need now. Label input, update color, count connections, blah. All right. Oh yeah, for the count connections. So if we add a new connection here, save, it should update this one too, right? Yeah, so when you click on save, so this function on dismiss, right? Self dot, no, yeah, this one dot bind on dismiss equals self dot update update connections count. There we go. So here, what we gotta do? Fuck. It's actually updating the UI, which is in this bit, right? All right. Okay. So rebuild. Okay. This, I don't know. I gotta rebuild this bit, and I have no idea how to do that. So give a rebuild, I guess. Widget. Let me share some. There we go. So update properties. Well, to be honest, what I'm gonna do is where is it? Code. Right. On here, what you should do is just update UI, right? Self dot, yeah, print dear.self, right? I want to see what is there on Smith, right? Okay. So I'm gonna do this and cancel. No, hold on. When we edit, so this and this. Let's see what we have as functions. Is there anything to update? The update motion filter, no. Build something, rebuild, no. Reverse, load. So if we do the self.canvas dot update, no. Ask update the draw. I don't know. Oh, I see. It's looking in here, but it should be looking in the temporary connections, right? Should be looking here. What is this? Totally forgot, man. Yeah, this is not you. It's not being used, right? Yeah. Yep. So, yeah, in this one, right? Self.parent connections, but the parent connections is not really. Yeah, that's a problem. That's a problem. The parent connections is empty, right? Parent connections is empty. So what we should do is, yeah, we set. Yeah, all right. Okay. So in here, boom, created equals honestly connections. That's all, right? Parent connections equals connections. That's all. Connection cancel, right? Add connection, save. So okay, when we save, let's run this and see what it gives us. Print what? Count connections. Let's see. Okay, let's hit save. Okay, it's 1. And now do this and it's 2. Right, okay. So it does work. So in here we're gonna do so.canvas.draw. I don't know how can I force update something. Fuck. I don't know. Update GUI canvas. I don't know. Updating canvas instructions declared in Python. We can bind it, right? We can bind. It's not really a canvas, right? We update what's called a text. Update text field. Update text field. GUI text. All right, let's see. I don't want to bind. Fuck, I need to bind. Yeah. Okay. So on this miss, we gotta really look for. Gotta look for this. To be honest, no, this one. Damn. Okay, so in box layout, grid layout, and box layout, label. Box layout, grid layout, box layout, label. Box, grid, box, label. It's fucking okay. So okay. It's very bad. Okay. Okay, doc. So that label count, no, connections count label, right? Equals none for the moment. But afterwards, what we're gonna do is dot text equals self dot count connections. There we go. And force update, I think. Well, let's see. But we gotta find this thing. Which is with this one. Nice. So up. Filter is instance of. There we go. And here we have this. So what do we have here? Here is my face. I know it's blue, it's dark. Never mind. Not a good idea. So what we have said, what we said, grid layout. Okay, so we're gonna search for grid layout, right? Yep, for grid layout. And this first grid layout that's gonna be encountered. Grid layout. And of course we're gonna, there we go. Grid layout. Grid layout. There we go. Okay, so we have found the grid layout. So we have found these children's. And then in here we're gonna do this again. Filter lambda widget is instance of this is an instance of box layout, right? They're gonna give me the first box layout encountered from this one, right? So this is gonna be box layout widgets. No, grid layout widgets. And this is gonna be our box layout widgets. Right? And then we're gonna say self dot connections. No, we're gonna look for, again, we're gonna look for label. So there's gonna be a label widgets, which is gonna be a label in the box layout widgets. And then we're gonna say connection count label equals label dot widgets. Well, we're gonna convert to a list. The number one. Okay. I think this should be a list. Right. There we go. That's it, I think. Do that. Let's see now. Of course. Let's index out of range label widget. Okay, no problem. Let's see. What do we have here? Print, right? The box layout widgets. It's empty. What the fuck? There's no box layout. Here it is, man. Come on. What's going on? Okay, there is a grid layout, right? Found a grid layout. Perfect. So this is gonna be like this. I don't think so, but well. Dot content dot children maybe. children. This is, yeah, there's no. Okay. Fuck. There is no box layout. Well, here it is. Here it is. Yeah, box layout, field layout. Right. And there. Grid layout. Oh, shit. Look at the type of this. It's a filter. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, I see. List. I see. Okay, so we should do this instead. Dot children, I think, or dot content dot children, something like that. There we go. See, and here we found a debox layout. Right. Button text only accept this. Okay. I have another idea. See? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, not the button, man. Not the button. What the fuck? No, 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 no. No, we said label, not what the fuck? Label, yeah, label, right? What the fuck is this? Print label widgets. List of label widgets. Why did you change the button? Okay. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is no, nothing. No, nothing. Okay, well, one, I guess. Weird, very weird, but right. Oh, why this sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. It doesn't. There is two. O and one. Print list of O, a list of. Come on, not gonna tell me that you didn't find it. So of 0. Oh my god. Okay, x equals this. Now print x. Right. Boom. There's two. Okay. And x of O. Okay. Now x of 1. Okay, so I got it. I got it. Should be only accessed once. There we go, 2. Okay. Hold on. Cancel. Okay, good. Cancel. Okay, good. Save. Okay, good. Save. Okay, good. Perfect. So it does work. Update label. Connections count label. That's all we need to do. All right, so Perfect. I'll be right back. Yeah. Just do one small thing before I go. Here we go. And we are back. Okay, it's been a bit of an hour. So for now, we're gonna, hold on. I was going to update connections count label. All right. Okay, this is UI. So I'm gonna simply push commit this version, apply changes, and here we change to that. All right. Board grid layout. All right. We have move boolean connections. We made it global. So in here we're gonna make all of this, all of fix. Sorry, hold on. Wait, what? Oh my god. Okay. The last comment is fix new connection to newly connected nodes. Added comment. Wow. Right. So what's just before? Okay. Okay. So what we have done is assigned the connections data flow. Made it a global. Made it a global variable. Let's say. Here is so what we have done. Yo, what's up? What's up? Remind Z. We designed the collection data flow, made a global variable. Well, this one is updated, or hold on, I'm gonna run the program. Oops. So yeah, so we updated slash fixed, implemented or updated, let's say updated the edit connections pop-up. So added the ability to add new connections from the pop-up. Again, this is very important because later on we will add the functionality to add or to connect two nodes just by clicking on this, then drawing an arrow, right? That would be ليك وحشة ليك يا ليك وحشة دي شكونك انت ديجا remind Z. Who the fuck are you, mate? Give me a name. Added the base new connection from the pop-up. What else? Updated the edit connections. Pop-up added the ability to add new connections. What else? Yeah, fixed, which was the main stream objective is to fix oh والله ايه حسرة انديد مالك يا حسرة انديد يا ايه انديد يا حسرة يا معلم what the fuck اي شنو وش عامل في حياتك انت what the fuck والله يا حسرة where did I fix proof fixed the reset the cancel / reset after adding a new connection. Okay, good. Commit. يا بلوزة والله حاصل يا مان. ملوك اشرك وين. انا كوميتيت ومش نمشي وانت جيت عشان الوقت ده. ولا بلوز. ما ايش عندك انت؟ طب خطرنا ناحية فيسبوك، تعرفني كالعادة الناحية ولا نرجع ما تو ناحيته للأبد. مش تو عندي برشا. عندك شي واتساب، فايبر، اي حكاية؟ عشان ابعث لك نمرية وانت رجل امورك. What do you say? What do you think? وين ولا تويتر ولا فيسبوك نستعملهمش وليت. تويتر كيكو برا، عندي برشا كونتوات وتخني في حيط نحلوش جملة. تويتر فيسبوك نقول لك قصيته جملة واحدة. سو قال لي كان شو اسمه واتساب ولا سيجنال، شنو ديسكورد، معلش. واتساب ديسكورد وفايبر هذاك اللي عندي انا. شوي فايبر منه. لينكدين. ما عندكش؟ شنو ما عندكش هذا الكل؟ ديسكورد. لا بشوي نشوف فيك انت تحل في اللول ولا مش لول، تلعب في فالورنت ولا كيف نكاية. ديسكورد. ابعث لك الواحد. كوبي. ليش ابعث لك ديريكت كان لك انت سكروت. اهو. تفهموا غادي صح. شو هيك ساعات تلعب فالورنت؟ معلش كان انت ولا هذاك معلش. اللول اللي برش ما عندي تيش يعني. هيك ساعات نحل نلعب ارام ونسكر. ماتش. اوكي. يا كلاش يا كلاش. يا انا ديجا فرانز بالله يوتف. لول. اوكي امال. ولا هيت التوف ديما تحلوا انت ديسكورد ولا متحلوش ولا؟ اوكي. نعم. واضح صح. So so what we have done, we've done this. Now we gotta add the find path pop-up, right? So when we click on Dijkstra button, it should open this pop-up. Okay. So زيد شوي. Okay. Find path. It's gonna be a box layout. Yep. Vertical. We're gonna have a label. text, find the optimal path. We're gonna have a grid layout. We're gonna take a label, no, calls equals to label text start node. Then okay. Well, it's gonna be drop down. I don't know. Is it loud or not? Oh, shit. Okay. So, we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna add another label then. Destination node. Then another label, text, the weight equals to something, right? Dot format root dot well, this is gonna be updated, so yeah, screw this. We're gonna do this programmatically. And finally, a box layout. There's two buttons. Position horizontal. There's two buttons. Reset. Yep. And another button which calculate. So on release, we do something. Root dot reset and root. Well, I see. Let's cool reset, right? We just dismiss, and here it's close. Root dot calculate. So, no problem here. How can I add a drop out, drop down in, drop down give, but using, okay, so it's a custom drop down. All right. Okay. 1.4, yeah, all right. Custom drop down, it has a button. This is gonna be select a node. So horizontal y equals none. Height is equals 44 for the moment. On release, root dot select item 1. For now, set it like this. Label text and selected item. Size int y is none. Height 44. Another button, etc. right? So here is gonna be second node. Size hint y is none. Height 44. On release, root dot select item 2, right? Okay. And so, shit. So the utility class is gonna be here. Class custom drop down It's a drop down. Yes. Then we use this custom drop down in where? In find path. So here we're gonna say custom drop down, right? And yet another one. So yeah, 2 custom drop downs. Let's try this out. Canvas, edge connection, node config. Now let's put it here, right? Class find path. It's a widget for now. No, it's pop-up. There we go. And pass. Well, def calculate self args. For now, let's just pass, right? If we don't do anything. And okay, with the toolbar, when we hit this button, we gotta create a find path pop-up. So, well, let's name it pop-up. Pop-up equals find path, and then pop-up.open. Let's try this. We are working on the pop-up now. Dijkstra, perfect. Okay, no title. Yeah, this is a bit fucked up. All right. So, as a node config, so we have size hint is this, and do all this. Boom, boom, and where are we? We are here. Boom. All right. So size hint title is find the optimal path using Dijkstra algorithm. Right, so this is fucked up also. Why is that? So box layout, no, grid layout calls to drop down. Okay, so let's add, for example, 2 labels, right? Okay, so this works. So it's from this bullshit. All right. Maybe size hint. I don't know. On the X is 1. On the Y is, I don't know if this works, but just okay, it does work. So this is better. If we select node, nothing happens and it just gets deleted for some reason. Interesting. Okay. So find path. So it's gonna be 0.8. It's gonna be more or less 0.6, 0.7. Say yeah, that's more like it, I guess. And now for the weights, this weight of the box layout. So size hint, size hint 1.2, let's say. This one, size hint 1.1. No. Okay, so this 0.2, and the other one 0.3. There we go. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Find the optimal path, start node, weight. Okay, so this has a weight too. Size hint 1 and something, and this one as well. Okay, so 2, 5, we took 5, this 5, so there's gonna be 2 and there's gonna be 3. What? So in total is 0.3, sorry. 0.2. There we go. Well, let's see about that. Very weird, very weird. 0.2. It's gonna be 0.4 then. And yeah, good, very good. Sadly, I can't create separator for now. I don't know how. Like this one, right? Like, oh my god, like this one. But well, we'll see about that. So we are on the point path, right? So in here, def init mate, add a pop-up self, and what we should do, we should create those pop-ups, drop downs. There you go. Yeah. So yeah, this whole bit should be, yeah, we're gonna delete all this and even this one, right? Boom. And now we create a custom one, right? So so yeah, so say drop down equals drop down, right? So now for node in nodes, right? What we're gonna do, it's create a button. The text is gonna be the node label, I would say. Node label, and size hint, as we said, size hint is none. Size hint on the y-axis, and the height is 44 or 33 or something like that. Then we bind this button on the release. On the release equals lambda, we take a button, then we drop down dot select the button dot text, right? And we drop down dot add widget the button. So for every single one we add 4. Yeah. So then we add a main button, which is gonna be the main button, and text equals select a node. Size hint equals none to none, and main button we're gonna bind it to be the drop down dot open. And then we bind the drop down, we bind the on select of the drop down, select lambda something dot value, set attribute of the main button to be of the main button's text attribute to be the value, right? And then that's all we need for now. Well, not really, because we gotta add this drop down widget to not add it to, but add it in here, right? In the grid layout, something. All right, so yeah, there we go. Copy paste here, filter widgets. So grid layout widgets. I'm gonna search for grid layout, right? There we go. And then what we're gonna do is, well, grid layout equals grid layout widgets. We're gonna create a list. First item, now say grid layout.add widget drop down. Yeah, we're only gonna have the drop down widget inside of the grid layout. There we go. That's, yep. Let's see. Okay, and I'm gonna add also a label. Oops. Add widget label text hello. I don't know why it's like that. Size hint is 1. There's gonna be 1 too. It's weird. What the fuck? How did I create a node layout in here? Node drop down. Initialize drop down. Size hint 32 for that. And it's 32. Yeah, okay. 32. Well. What I did this height equals 32. It's very weird, to be honest. Add the main button, not the drop down. There we go. And this one opens the what we need, right? So if we do this, what will give us? Yeah, give us a weird button. Okay, so it's gonna be 1, and the height's gonna be 32. That's for sure. I don't know why is it like this. Yeah, why? I think I see. Okay, height equals 32. So now this drop down, right? It is the same drop down, I think. We add, yeah, okay. So we're gonna create two drop downs, to be honest. 2 drop downs, right? Init drop down 1, init drop down 2. So if init drop start drop down. So init destination this drop down, right? And in here we're gonna do just copy the whole thing out. All right. So, and we're gonna just do this in here. Boom. And it's gonna be self.grid layout, right? So in here, so I'm gonna say self.grid layout. Self.grid layout. There we go. So there's gonna be a start node. I'm gonna do exactly the same thing in here. There's gonna be end node. Blah blah blah. All right. Up. Perfect. See, it works. It fucking doesn't. What the fuck is going on? Oh yeah, of course. I haven't called this. Self dot, there we go. Self dot, and there we go. It's gonna be dist. Dijkstra, there we go. Select node, this. All right, they are different. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I don't know why they are not centered, and it's bugging me out. For the labels, where are the labels? Label, there we go. Size hint equals 1 and none. What the? What? I really want to see what the fuck is going on. Grid layout, right? Add widget, size hint. Well, 0.5, right? On the X, on the 5, no, on the Y axis. Dijkstra, oh, okay, this works. Oh, fine. And for the main button is 0.5 as well, without adding the height. Screw that, right? For the moment, let's see, screw the height. It's gonna be big, bulgy. All right, okay, it's gonna be like this. Okay. Yeah, we need to add the yeah, of course. Select a node. Blah blah blah. Okay. There we go. So, boom, select a node. Boom, select a node. Right. And then we calculate or close. Yeah, here it's gonna be none, and the height it's gonna be around 44. Yeah, it should be always 44, and but damn it, I don't know how to center those. See what I mean? Yeah, instead of why I can't do this, you know? Why it has to be pushed? Oh my god. This one as well. Because in here, okay. Oh yeah, of course. In here, see, it is very, very, very strict and very good. So let's take a look at edit connections. There we go. And drop down, yeah. The main button. Where's the main button? Where the fuck is the main button, man? Update grid layout. Fuck. So that nodes, drop down, clear widgets. How does grid layout? What the fuck? Okay, here it is. So yeah, it has absolutely nothing, right? So let's get back in here. No, there we go. Main button, it has absolutely nothing. Let's try this. I can do this, right? On release equals drop down dot open. There's no need to bind it that way. Very weird, but okay. Okay, I see what it does, right? I see what it does. It takes okay, so this thing, what if we delete this as well? right? End node. Let's only see the end node, right? And we delete also this bit. What will okay. And now in the design file, we delete this size hint. Fuck, man. It's very weird. There we go. So, design file of the edit connections for the grid layout, we have that, and size hint is none, right? So, where is the findpath? Size hint y equals none. Okay, better to be honest, it's better. So for, okay, good. Why is it like this? Okay, I see why. So in here, what we should do is for the buttons, well, it is already 32. Yeah, that's size hint equals of y equals none, and the height is 32. There we go. Okay, perfect. And boom, copy. Oh. Yeah. Up. There we go. Now if you run, it's all not good. Why? Holy shit, man. Let me see the design again. Right. Okay. And read all size hints. Well, let's focus on functionality rather than the design, the graphical design, I mean. So yeah, so we have created those two, which, well, this drop down, it should be starter now. So that's starter now. You'll see why. Up. There we go. And here it's gonna be self.dist drop down. There we go. Why? Well, and in here. Okay. See? So, okay. Let's see. If start drop down dot text, I think. Well, let's print the text. Well, it's not gonna be that because it should be, oh, well, let's see, man, let's see. Or else we're gonna print dir of self dot start drop down, right? Clear, run, Dijkstra. Yeah, let's calculate. Okay, drop down object has no text. Okay, no problem. Let's do this then. Dijkstra calculate. Boom. So what do we have? Do we have item? No item. Select. Okay. On select. Yeah, we should see this. It's about this one, right? So let's see. Current. Okay. So it's not about the drop down. The drop down is just some bullshit. It's about this main button, right? So, yeah. Okay. No, right. So here we go. So this is gonna be replaced by dist. Well, fuck it. Yeah, dist drop down, and replace. And this it's gonna be replaced by start drop down. Boom. That's all. And this main button is gonna be replaced by self dot start node, right? Start node label, let's say, well, btn, to know that it is a button. And here it's gonna be dist. Yeah, okay. And then here we're gonna create those two. Right. There we go. So now it's gonna say, well, simply self dot start node button dot text. I'm pretty sure it has the attribute text. There's gonna be dist. If we run right now, calculate select node to great 002, perfect. So so what we should do with this information, right? So we gotta find the appropriate nodes. So it's for node, not really, but let's go with the flow. For node in nodes, if node dot label equals this one, then start node equals node. Well, and here I'm gonna say start node equals none, and this node equals none, right? Yeah, there we go. And the same thing as if node dot, oh yeah, if start node is none, and right, if this node is none, and node dot label equals self dot and this node dot button dot text, then end node, well, this node equals node, and if start node and this node, well, yeah, so screw that. Well, it is what it is. And now if start node and this node. Then we do some processing. There's gonna be the to-do of the next stream. Well, not really, because we gotta really migrate our old program logic, I'd say models like node class, neighbors and everything into this new Kiwi UI. So node to do is migrate the models slash controllers to this new with the new UI, and finish the calculating method. And what else? Fix UI layout of the findpath pop-up. These for the next stream, inshallah. So yeah, now we only have this, right? So let's see. Dijkstra select node, calculate, does nothing. Oh, does nothing. One does something, right? Okay. Okay, so this it should be, and start node is not this node, right? They shouldn't be the same. Yeah, that's it for now. That's it for now. Yep. So what we have done in this stream, I'd say, yeah, we have added find the find path pop-up. Now we're not using this, so let's delete it. But not finished. Well, for the to-dos, there's these things are to do. Oh shit. Added the find path pop-up with its UI functionality. Yeah, that's it, I guess, right? Yeah. Okay, so commit and sync, and that's all for today. There we go. Thinking. Great. And now we have made some progress, at least.